Morning, everybody. It's Sherry. I just wanted to do a quick project share and show you what I made for cards to go in my little box, and then I will tell you what I did. If you remember my box, this is from our Scrapdaworld. What is that called? I think it was number 10, and I will link it at the bottom. Anyway, so I did a video on my box to show everybody my box. I'll show it to you again real quick. So then I told you I would make some cards to go inside of it and come back and show you what I did with my cards. So I made 3 cards. They're all exactly the same. Anyway, I just used 110-pound cardstock with Santa Baby paper and some pink glitter paper and a couple of dies. This is a Tim Holtz die, I believe. It's the Snowflake, and then I used an Alina Craft die. It's the crosses, and I cut my cards out in 110-pound cardstock, and then I just put a little pink border card on those, and then I put the snowflake, the cross, and of course I put my little bit of bling on there. So let me tell you what I did. Oh, and then I made my envelopes using 110-pound cardstock with my envelope maker. So my cards do not fit in my box, and let me tell you why. Okay, when I made them, I measured the bottom of my box, thinking that if I measured that, I would be okay. I don't measure really well, so I was trying to make sure my cards would fit in there. Well, it's 3 inches across and 3 inches down. Okay, that makes a square. And then I made my cards at 3 inches. Or not 3 inches, what is it? 3 feet, whatever, 3 inches, okay? So they fit great on the bottom of the box. However, they do not fit on the inside of my box. So what I should have done was made these a little bit smaller so that once I put them in the envelope, they would fit in my box. So then I was thinking, well, I could just like cut them down a little bit, but then my snowflake won't fit on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some ribbon, probably pink ribbon, because you know I'm a shabby person and I love pink, and actually my favorite color is purple, but I love the pinks and I love the shabby look. So I thought I would put some little candies in my box, and then use the ribbon to put my cards and attach them to my box, and then I can give them to my mail lady. So that is what my thought process on there is. If anybody else has any ideas, I'd love to hear them in the comments. And I just wanted to say also, welcome to all my new subs. I've noticed that there are several people that have came and joined my channel, and I greatly appreciate that. Again, I want to say welcome to my new subs. I also want to say thank you very much for my older subs. You guys hang in there with me. I know I don't do a lot of videos. Time is crunchy around my house, so I just kind of do it when I can. And anyway, so I told you I would come back with this one. The new oh, it's the monthly thing we're doing with Scrapdaworld. I will link it in the bottom or in the description. I can't think of what the name of it is right off the top of my head right now. But the new one is to make a box with glassine bags, altered glassine bags or something, and put them in there for treat bags. I don't have any glassine bags, and I'm not sure how to make them. So I'm going to be looking up some videos. Hopefully I get them out before the end of this month. I've got several other projects I'm working on, so I'll be putting out some more videos. And that's my bird, Thunder, that you hear in the back. She's my little Indian ringneck, and she's just my little doll. Alright, anyway, I just wanted to, again, welcome everybody, say thank you to everybody that's sticking around, and let you know that I have been watching videos and I am enjoying what I see. So come back and there should be several videos posted here within the next couple of days. So, alright, we'll see you later. Bye.